Part 2, Manny Pacquiao, nakakatawang clip.
Okay, so as a little icebreaker, I have a joke for you.
What is that?
Okay, so if you had to have a university, what would you call it?
University. Manuel Pacquiao University.
So, Pacquiao University. So, in short, PACU.
Emmanuel Pacquiao University.
Yes. Pacquiao University, in short, PACU. Do you get it?
Ganon yan. Ano yan? Tujong ba yan? Sino bang nagturo sa inyo yan? Wag po niyo po usuhin yan kasi pang-adik po yan.
Paliwanag naman ni Dumagoso.
Wala naman. Don't panic, it's organic.
Pag ikaw ay nasuntok ni Pacman,
Guys! Anong pa ang maraming pandesal? Ano? Erisisma!
Unipack sardines, pak na pak sa sarap, pak na pak sa saya.
Anong pa ang mataas tumalon? Ano? Tibaklo!
Pak sa lasa, walang MSG, Unipack quality, sulit for everybody.
Guys! Anong pack ang kailangan gawin? Ano? Pacquiao na! Unipack! Sarap na pak na pak!
Happy New Year, everyone!
Africa.